Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate range in Excel. So open an Excel sheet. Let's say we want to calculate the range, which would be maximum and minimum. Actually, range shows the maximum and minimum values. The the gap between the maximum and minimum values actually. So we'll put the formula equals to max open parenthesis and array close the parenthesis and then subtraction min and select the range again, close the parenthesis and click on enter. As you can see, the maximum value is actually 100 and the minimum is 76. So we have got the subtraction between 100 to 76. So this is the range actually. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye for today.